Welcome to Manthana channel. In today's video, we are exploring a phenomenon that has been rising in digital age, Cyberchondria. How often do you find yourself googling symptoms or health concern? It seems harmless, right? But what happens when this search for answers starts to cause more stress than relief? That's where cyberchondria comes in. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. Cyberchondria is the excessive or compulsive online search for health related information, leading to increased anxiety and sometimes even self diagnosis. With the rise of health related websites, apps, and online forums, it's easier than ever to find information, but it's also easier to fall into a spiral of worry. Let's take a closer look at how it works. You might be searching for something as simple as headache, but soon you are reading about rare diseases, serious conditions, and worrying yourself even more. Cyberchondria isn't just about information overload. It is about how that information can be misinterpreted and distorted, leading you to believe you are suffering from a serious condition. For example, if you search for a headache, you might stumble upon articles about brain tumors, meningitis, and stroke. It is easy to get caught in the panic of worst case scenarios, especially when the symptoms seem to overlap. Why does this happen? There are a few psychological factors at play where you automatically jump to the worst possible conclusion. And the internet, unfortunately, is a breeding ground for this kind of thinking. A simple symptom could lead you down a rabbit hole of frightening possibilities. Another factor is something called as confirmation bias. This means that when you search for something, you are likely to find information that confirms your fear, even if it is not entirely accurate or relevant to your actual situation. But here is the thing, most health related searches lead to misinformation, misleading symptoms, or even out of date advice. Without professional guidance, it is incredibly hard to distinguish between what is legitimate and what is potentially harmful. This makes it so easy to spiral into anxiety, thinking you might have some serious condition when in reality it is something much more benign. So, what can you do and prevent it from taking over your mental health? Tip 1, limit your search habits. While it's natural to want answers, try to avoid constantly searching your symptoms online. The more you search, the more you will find, and often that leads to more anxiety. Instead, try to pause. If you are feeling anxious about your health, take a step back. Give yourself time to assess the situation. Most symptoms like headache, stomach aches, or mild fatigue are temporary and often related to stress, lack of sleep, or minor issues. Tip 2, consult a healthcare professional. When in doubt, reach out to a doctor. A medical professional can provide proper diagnosis and help you understand what's really going on with your body. It is important not to rely on self-diagnosis because that often leads to unnecessary worry. Tip 3, use trusted and reliable sources. If you do need to search for information, make sure you are using reputable websites. Government health websites, major medical institutions, and peer reviewed articles are good places to start. Be cautious with forums, where advice isn't always based on professional knowledge and can be misleading. Tip 4, mindfulness and stress management. Sometimes anxiety about health can be a sign of deeper stress. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or yoga can help you stay grounded, reduce stress, and avoid falling into health related panic. These practices can help you focus on the present moment and clear away unnecessary worries about hypothetical health issues. Lastly, remember that not every symptom is a sign of something serious. It is normal to have aches and pains or feel under the weather sometimes. Our bodies are constantly changing and minor issues often resolve on their own. Taking care of yourself holistically by eating well, sleeping enough, staying active, and managing stress can go a long way in preventing anxiety over health issues. If you are finding cyberchondria is affecting your quality of life, it is important to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors can help you address anxiety and develop healthy coping strategies. And remember, you are not alone. Many people experience this in this digital age. Here in this channel, we are committed to providing you with tools and resources you need to manage and understand your mental health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mental health tips and insights. And take care of your body and mind. And always remember, there is no need to diagnose yourself alone. Consult the experts and trust in your health journey.